If your Windows 11 Hulu app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or won't open, then this could be happening because your Hulu app might be damaged. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to repair your Hulu app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open Apps and Features. Locate Hulu. Click on the little dots to open the Hulu app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the Hulu app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Hulu app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Hulu is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Hulu's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Hulu is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. The Hulu app and its related data will be uninstalled. First, press Uninstall. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Hulu again. Search for Hulu. Click on Hulu app. Press the Get button to start downloading Hulu. Wait for Hulu to be downloaded. Now your Hulu app should be installed. Now open your Hulu app. Now type in your login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.